Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is Monday, July 27th. So today, the overall market was choppy. Just not a lot of follow ups and whatnot. And the reason why is, again, um, the, the gapper that was, gapping up the most failed, right? So that was one big signal, right? So SCKT was the one that was gapping up, and as you can see, like, this stock just has been tanking, right? So from 410 all the way down to um, all the way down to 290 and whatnot. So, and it was very choppy as well. So today I actually finished the day down 262, and I think mostly I lost on SCKT one because it was very choppy. As you can see, there's a lot of upper wicks and bottom wicks. So I try to take trades. I got in one good trade, which was for a red to green move, which was around right here. I got in and then sold some on the way up. But as it came back down, I was looking for this break of VWAP to recover, and that failed. Right, so I failed 3 times on there. So I think I shouldn't have taken those trades because I could have told myself, hey, there's a lot of upper wicks and bottom wicks, so the stock is whippy, right? But for some reason, I didn't see that. I was too focused on my plan. So yeah, so that part was definitely my fault, but I need to improve on that. Um, Other than that, every other trades I took, were part of my plan, and they just didn't work out. So it's just been choppy, right? So I was watching SCKT, obviously that failed as you saw. Um, Riot, I was watching as well. I got a couple trades in, but lost some and made some. Pretty much, maybe I don't know. We'll see how I did on it. So again, if you look down here, I'm down 262 on it, and SCKT should be my biggest loss. Yeah, 131, and then SOGO, did all right. Lost 84, just didn't work out. Yeah, RIOT, yeah, I gave some and made some, so I'm pretty much down $2 on it. PHUN was a good setup. I'm down 46 on it. Let's see if I pull up PHUN, maybe right here. So this is where I got in on PHUN. I had got in around this point 162, and then this flush happened, and I lost on that. So yeah, the volume looked good, right? We had a lot of good volume on it, so that's why I was looking for that push up, but seems like it couldn't hold. Uh, yeah, overall, I was watching. What else was I watching? MARA just not enough volume. And what else was it? SNSS, it failed. So yeah, a lot of stocks that were failing today. PDSB failed as well. I was watching this, right? So a lot of stocks couldn't hold today. Um, Hopefully tomorrow we have better strength, and let's see how that goes. So maybe usually I've been taking also taking trades for the break of VWAP. I think those are not working out. So I think for now I won't be taking those anymore. I'll just be focusing on my other strategy, which is breaking for breakout trades on inflection points. So I feel like I gotta put the other strategy, which is break of VWAP, which I use sometimes, but my main strategy is break of the inflection points, right? That's what I use every day. But sometimes the break of the VWAP is actually causing me to lose money. So I'm seeing that this strategy is not working out right now. So I'm gonna put that strategy on the back burner, and when I do see stocks recovering VWAP and it's working out, then I'll pull that strategy back out again, right? But I'm gonna stick to my main one, right? I'm just gonna focus on that more, and that will be it. So yeah, and as a trader, you gotta kind of zoom out and abstract yourself and see what strategy is working, and use that and put the other one in the back burner. So yeah, and that's something new I was trying out, right? And it was working out for me, right? But it seems like now it's slowing down and having more losses on it, so I'm gonna put that away. And as a trader, you need to be able to analyze that, right? If you want to be a full-time trader. Other than that, hopefully you guys were green, and let's see what else. Yeah, so pretty much SCKT was the one that put me in the deep red, I would say. Otherwise, I think I would have a solid, $130, $140 red day. But it is what it is. I hope you guys are green, and I will see you guys tomorrow.